Hey, what's up everybody? Dave from Quarter Flips here. Hey, before I get started today, I have to trim this beer back. It's out of control. So hold on, I'll be right back. Oh, that's so much better. Okay, all right, we can do this now. I'm Dave. This is Quarter Flips. Welcome. I have finished my 500 listing challenge. Totally done. Now I can start buying things again. Yes. So here is how it all sorted out. You know what? I'm not going to do how it all sorted out at the start. I'll do how it all sorted out at the end. I did 300 eBay listings and 200 Discogs listings, and I'll get into the more granular details of how that all worked out after I show the things that have sold since the last video. And I listed so much stuff, I hit start on so many things, a lot more things sold. One cool thing about making 100 drafts in eBay and then starting them all at the same time is you can just get an avalanche of orders, and that's kind of fun. So let's do that, and then we'll come back and I'll go over the numbers. Clearance makeup. Here's two e.l.f. HD Lifting Concealer Medium. Got these for 99 cents a piece. Sold it for $6.99 plus shipping. Sold some more makeup. 3 of these e.l.f. Sheer Tint Finishing Powder Fair Light. These were $1 a piece. Sold them for $8.99 plus shipping. Another one of the books. It was the back of my stolen car that I got back. Waking the Tiger. Healing Trauma. $9.99 shipping included. The Physics of God. This is Unifying Quantum Physics, Consciousness, M-Theory, Heaven, Neuroscience, and Transcendence. Honestly, if I didn't sell this one, I might have read this one. Maybe I still will. Get it for Kindle or something. $14.99 shipping included. Sold a copy of the book Heal Your Body by Louis Hay. Just this little paperback went for $7.99, shipping included. We got the Hotel New Hampshire and the World According to Garp. Just some nice reader copies of these. They've been read once or twice, but they're going to be perfect for someone else. $9.99 plus shipping. Those will go medium mail, so I'm going to make like $5 or $6. Got this Super Smash Brothers Murabito Amiibo, just villager something or other. I don't know what all these words necessarily mean, but I know that it went for $18.99 plus shipping. Gone But Not Forgotten cassette. That one went for $6.99, shipping included. 2 more Excursion Backstock 7-inch sets. They went for $9.99 each. Sold the Harkonnen 7-inch for $5.99, shipping included. Another batch of Excursion Backstock CDs. This went for $6.99 plus shipping on eBay. This Violin Concerto classical CD set. Got this for 50 cents in a thrift shop. Sold for $19.99, shipping included. Back over on Discogs. Sold a Carp Rye split CD. That one went for $9.99 plus shipping. These CDs all sold to the same person. Rorschach Autopsy CD, $11.99. I Hate God, Take As Needed for Pain, $19.99. And Charles Bronson, Complete Discography, I believe it's called. Everything They Ever Did, $29.99, plus shipping. The Band Greatest Hits CD, that went for $3.99. Death Threat Self-Titled CD, $19.99. Cry Now, Cry Later, Volumes 3 and 4, $19.99. And Neurosis, Enemy of the Sun, $21.99. Ditch Witch, here's a 7-inch from a band that it seems like nobody knows about. I used to distro this thing with Excursion back in the day. If I Lose Strung, this 7-inch went for $4.99 plus shipping. The Shins, Shoots Too Narrow LP, $11.99 plus shipping. Here's a copy of the Push Pull LP from the band Punch. This one went for $17.99 plus shipping. Copy of Granddaddy's Under the Western Freeway. This one went for $19.99 plus shipping. And sold another copy of the Himsa Courting Tragedy and Disaster picture disc. This one went for $19.99, shipping included. Sold some records together in groups. Evil Survives Power Killer, $9.99. Evil Survives Metal Vengeance, $9.99. And Kingdom Come LP for $17.99. Altogether, shipping on top on Discogs. Same deal with these. Between Earth and Sky 12-inch, $7.99. Elliot, Songs in a Transit Wind, $12.99. And Waxwing for Mad Men Only, $22.99. DVDs and Blu-rays, movie discs. I'm not even sure where to start. Let's start with Blu-rays. The Wayback, $6.99. And Get Aboard the Bandwagon, or The Bandwagon, I'm not sure which title it is. Regardless, $9.99 for that one. Sold this set of 2 DVDs with Clark Gable and Jean Harlow. It's China Seas and Wife vs. Secretary. $10.99, shipping included on that one. Also sold Call the Midwife. 3 seasons of it, BBC. $16.99 for that set. So this brick of 7 movies that are all Shakespeare adaptations. I don't know if you can see them all here, but there's just a bunch of different versions, just various ones, various condition. That went for $17.99, shipping included. Single DVDs, here we go. The Reaver, $7.99. Behold a Pale Horse, $7.99. Black Orchid, $7.99. Glenn Miller Story, $7.99. Crawl, $8.99. Do not like that movie. He's all, am I that man? Jumping the Broom, $8.99. Tower of Terror, $8.99. Jason X, sealed, $8.99. Silkwood, $12.99. The Onion Field, $12.99. The Lady Killers, $12.99. The Incas Remembered, $14.99. I'm running out of space here. The Mask You Live In, $16.99. And Tybo 2, Get Ripped, $19.99. The Court Martial of Billy Mitchell, Horror in the East, and Fred Savage in The Wizard, $9.99 for each of those, shipping included. Copy of Animal Farm went for $6.99. The Getaway, $7.99. Luther Vandross, Always and Forever, $9.99. Christine, $9.99. Blowout, second one of those I've sold recently, $10.99. Dragon Kingdom, $12.99. Stakeout and Another Stakeout, 2-movie collection, $16.99. And The Duchess and the Dirtwater Fox, $16.99. All of those shipping included. Bachelor Party, brand new VHS, still in the shrink wrap. This one went for $7.99, shipping included. Brand new copy of Patton on VHS, still sealed in the shrink wrap, $6.99, shipping included. American Graffiti, $6.99. Spaceballs, $7.99. Twins, $7.99. 2001, $7.99. Who Framed Roger Rabbit, $9.99. Adventures in Babysitting, $12.99. Three Amigos, $12.99. The first 2 Crocodile Dundee movies, $14.99. 3 Cheech and Chong movies, $19.99. Clockwork Orange, $14.99. The Karate Kid, $19.99. Repo Man, $19.99. Star Wars Original Trilogy box set. This one was released in 1992, $34.99. And Friday the 13th, parts 1, 2, and 3. 2 and 3 are sealed. 1 is open. They went for $69.99 about 5 minutes after I listed them. I think somebody got a deal, and I'm happy for them. All right. So, here is the final 100 things that I put up on eBay. And then here's the remainder of items that I put up on Discogs. When it was all said and done, I had 500, and then I had a few more things lying around that were just ready to go. So I actually went up to like 511 items, which was great, before I stopped completely. So how did it sort out in terms of money, and what did I learn from doing this whole thing? For the 500 listings total, when I put everything up, taking into account that some things have shipping included, so removing the shipping from that consideration, but not any other costs, not the cost of getting the items or eBay fees or any of that stuff, or PayPal transaction fees for Discogs or any of it. The total listed amount was $5,663. That's $11.33 per item that sells. It seems pretty good. Now, the way it breaks down is 300 items on eBay was $2,541, I believe, which was like $8.47 per item. And then on Discogs, it was 200 items, but the total was $3,122, which was over $15 per item. And the reason for that is that I listed on eBay, I listed a whole bunch of those DVDs and VHS, like smaller dollar items that I needed to get rid of in bulk. A whole bunch of $6.99, $7.99, per item listings there, whereas a lot of the Discog stuff was $19.99 or more for the items. So I'm happy with the way eBay came out, even though the number was so much less per listed item. But I did learn something from this whole thing, and that is that probably a more important number than just raw numbers listed is how much per transaction you're actually going to make. Because then my time is spent packaging up the order and shipping it off, printing a label, doing all that. I think in the future, I want my eBay average, listing to be way more than $8. I'd love to get it up eventually closer to $20. I think that makes more sense. But in the short run, just shooting for a target of $10 per item sale average, and then get it up to 12, move it up that way a little bit so it'll make sense, and I'll gradually be making more and more money. But I have all these listings to use each month, and I have a whole bunch of stuff that needed to go up and just be there to be my base of items that are listed in inventory. So it made sense to me. Like, now that I have all those things up and they're there, now maybe I can concentrate a little bit more on lotting things up or trying to seek out higher dollar items to put up. When I'm finding that when I go out to look for DVDs now, I'm leaving some stuff on the shelf that I would have picked up before, because I don't need a lot more $7.99 DVDs unless there's a reason specifically to get them. Like, if I'm in a place that's 5 DVDs for $5 and there's a couple of good valuable ones and I have to grab 3 more, yeah, I'll grab some that'll be $6.99, $7.99, whatever. But really, I really want to go higher dollars, because once you take the shipping out of that, you're not making a lot per sale there. So yeah, so basically I can buy again, and I have been buying, and I'll make a video about that real soon, like maybe tomorrow. And yeah, I'm not going to set a challenge like this again. 500 listings before I can do something was stressful, and I don't recommend. I do recommend it so that you'll do it and then know why you don't want to do it. I think that's probably a good way, because the one thing that I have at the end of this experience is I have all of those listings still up, and I'm benefiting from that. I'm getting a lot of sales. Sales are coming in a lot more frequently, so I'm making more money, and I'm getting closer towards that goal of paying for life. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate you. Please like and subscribe. And we're also very, very close to 200 subscribers. And I have the printer. It's right here. Let things better, faster, and vital. Yes, there it is. Direct SP410 direct thermal label printer. After we hit 200, I'll put up a video explaining how to put a comment up to qualify for this, and then I'll have a drawing. So yeah, when I'm making this, I'm at like 187. We're close. We're getting there. So once I am comfortably above 200, and I know it's not going to roll back after, one day of just being at 200, we'll go ahead and we'll give this thing away. So get on board. Thanks.